Apple's rumored 2026 Mac lineup is starting to look far less like a celebration of innovation and much more like a warning sign for anyone planning to upgrade their setup this year. A growing number of supply chain reports suggest that Apple is facing intense pressure behind the scenes, and the result could be some of the highest entry prices we've ever seen for mainstream Mac products. While the internet keeps hyping the upcoming M5 generation as a revolutionary leap forward, the reality may be much more complicated for everyday buyers. The biggest issue appears to be tied to the global AI boom. Companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, and other major tech giants are aggressively securing massive quantities of high-bandwidth memory and advanced storage components to power AI servers and data centers. That demand is reportedly creating a serious shortage across the industry, and Apple is now competing in an expensive bidding war just to secure enough components for future Macs. Even though the M5 chip itself is rumored to deliver incredible efficiency and performance gains thanks to TSMC's advanced 3nm manufacturing process, raw processor power means very little if Apple cannot source memory and storage at scale. Because of this, leaks suggest Apple may completely abandon its older low-end configurations. The days of 8GB RAM Max and tiny 256GB storage options could finally be coming to an end. On paper, that sounds like a win for consumers because entry-level Macs would finally offer specifications that feel modern. But there's a catch. The starting price is expected to climb sharply. Reports surrounding the upcoming M5 Mac Mini claim Apple could force buyers into a baseline configuration featuring 16GB of unified memory and 512GB of storage, potentially pushing the starting price close to $800. That changes the entire appeal of the Mac Mini. For years, it was seen as Apple's affordable desktop option. A compact machine that gave people access to macOS without spending premium iMac or MacBook money. But if these leaks are accurate, Apple may be transforming it into a much more expensive prosumer device. The design itself reportedly remains mostly unchanged, still using the ultra-small aluminum chassis that users already know. The real focus is expected to be internal performance, with the base M5 chip potentially delivering single-core speeds that rival older high-end Mac processors. That kind of power could make everyday editing, rendering, and productivity tasks feel unbelievably fast, especially for creators working in Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro. Still, performance alone may not be enough to calm frustrated buyers if prices continue climbing across the entire lineup. The situation becomes even more disappointing when discussing the next iMac refresh. Many Apple fans were hoping 2026 would finally bring major display upgrades to the standard iMac, especially considering how outdated some features now feel compared to competing premium monitors and Windows PCs. Instead, current leaks paint a far less exciting picture. The upcoming 24-inch iMac with the M5 chip is rumored to keep nearly the exact same design Apple introduced years ago. More frustratingly, the display may still remain locked to a 60Hz refresh rate. In a world where even mid-range phones and budget monitors now feature high refresh rate screens, many users are questioning why Apple continues limiting smoother promotion technology to its premium products. According to multiple reports, Apple is intentionally reserving mini-LED and higher-end display technologies for more expensive devices in order to maintain product separation. That strategy may work financially, but it is increasingly difficult for consumers to ignore. Buyers spending premium money on an all-in-one desktop in 2026 likely expect more than a simple chip upgrade and the same aging screen technology. Yet Apple may believe the average iMac customer cares more about aesthetics, simplicity, and ecosystem integration than refresh rates or advanced thermal performance. For casual users, that assumption could still hold true. The iMac remains one of the cleanest and most visually appealing desktop computers on the market, particularly for family spaces, offices, and creative workstations. But the real shock comes from reports surrounding a possible high-end iMac revival. For years, Apple fans have begged for a true replacement to the discontinued Intel-based iMac Pro. Now, new supply chain activity suggests Apple could finally be preparing a massive 30-inch all-in-one desktop aimed directly at professional creators. If the leaks are accurate, this machine would feature a stunning large-format display with promotion support and an extremely powerful M5 Max chip hidden behind the display panel itself. Interestingly, OLED technology may still be absent despite industry trends. Reports claim Apple is concerned about burn-in risks for professionals who leave static editing timelines, toolbars, and interface elements on screen for long periods. Instead, the company may continue using advanced LCD-based technology to balance brightness, color accuracy, and long-term reliability. Of course, none of this comes cheap. Rumors suggest the larger professional iMac could start around $4,000, instantly placing it into ultra-premium territory. That number sounds outrageous at first, especially for an all-in-one machine, but Apple likely believes creative professionals will justify the cost for the convenience alone. A powerful workstation with a single cable setup, no external monitor clutter, and seamless macOS integration remains incredibly appealing to video editors, music producers, and designers who value clean workflows. Meanwhile, the most extreme product in Apple's rumored roadmap could be the next Mac Studio featuring the M5 Ultra processor. Apple reportedly skipped an M4 Ultra generation entirely, leaving many high-end professionals waiting longer than expected for a true desktop-class leap in performance. Now the company appears ready to answer that frustration with something enormous. Leaks claim the M5 Ultra may combine two M5 Max chips together using an upgraded Ultra Fusion technology. The result could be a monster processor featuring up to 36 CPU cores and an 80-core GPU. If accurate, this machine would be built specifically for advanced 3D rendering, large-scale AI workloads, machine learning development, and professional 8K video production. In theory, it could become one of the most powerful consumer desktop computers Apple has ever created. However, there's a major problem. Supplying enough high-bandwidth memory for a machine that powerful may simply be impossible at launch. Industry insiders are already warning that Apple could face severe production limitations due to the ongoing AI-related component shortages. Cooling such a compact desktop while feeding an 80-core GPU is reportedly creating major engineering challenges as well. As a result, some leaks suggest Apple may unveil the Mac Studio M5 Ultra months before customers can actually buy one. The company could showcase the hardware during its big presentations, only for shipping dates to slip toward late autumn due to supply constraints. That would effectively turn the launch into a limited paper release, where excitement builds long before real availability catches up. Taken together, these rumors reveal a very different side of Apple's next-generation strategy. Yes, the M5 era could bring extraordinary performance gains across the Mac lineup, but it may also introduce higher prices, stricter product segmentation, delayed releases, and growing frustration among consumers who simply want modern features without paying luxury-level prices.